Hello everybody. Today we're going to pick a challenge lock. This one was sent to me by Bill Bacardi. It is a Potti314 March 2017. The Yale style key here. This is a minute. It's a minute. Well, a minute to win it. So hopefully we can get this guy open. It's a Potti profile Euro cylinder. It's a Bozzi AS. So let's throw it in a vise and see if we can't get this open. Hope everybody's having a great weekend. My spirits are a little bit lifted up. Some good news, but yeah. Here we go. Zoom in a little. Maybe zoom out a little. Make a little adjustment here. Sorry guys. Different locks call for different adjustments. Alright, let's get started with the old 40 thousandths Peterson pry bar and the gem. Also by Peterson. Alright, we're gonna go to the back. Gotta click off a, I think it's a 6-pinner. Let me see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it feels like a 6-pinner. Okay, back to business. And a couple clicks off of 6 and 5. Get some heavy counter rotation, but I'm gonna go up front and see. Got a little click off of 2. All kinds of rotation. Got a click counter rotation off of 2. And then a little rotation. Now I got counter off of 1. And a click into a nice false set. Really light tension. Click and oh, we're open. We're open. Nice. That one surprised me. You know what? I'm going to do like Bill Bacardi, and if it's too easy, maybe something was locked up in there. And try to pick it again. Okay. Got it in the vise. Go back again. 5. Feels like 6. Could be wrong. Could be a 5-pin. I don't know, man. Got rotation on the core from 3. Counter from 2. Oh, I think I overset him. Try 1. Yeah, I think I overset somebody. Got a little spring. Okay. Now we're into a nice false set. Try to find that counter again. Counter off of 2. Got a click, but lost my false set. Got a little rotation from 1. Yeah, there must have been something stuck in there. Alright. Got a little more false set off of 3. Click off of 4. Counter rotation from 3. Man, I should have took the first time. That was nice. Surprised me. Okay, counter off of 4 and into a false set, and we're open. One more click out of 4. Awesome. Okay, now I know I got it. I know I got it this time. Put that guy away. Grab the old pinning tray here. Sorry, zoom out. Make the adjustments, necessary adjustments. Alright. Let's see what we got in this bad boy. See that it's picked. Grab my awesome clip remover tool here. Works beautifully. Thank you, Bronx Lockpicker 60, for making this beautiful weapon to my arsenal. Alright. Ooh, this is a slippery guy. Okay, we'll grab a new shim here. Get our way through it. Love these Euros. I think we're in. Nope, now we're in. Now we're in for sure. Okay. Pull that shim out. I'll get him in a minute. You see, everything had to be nicely well and picked. There is counter milling in number 1, threading in 2, and threading in 3, counter milling in 4. Nice. There's the bitting. Pretty good bitting. Yeah, everything works nice and smooth. Let's check out these pins. It was only a 5-pinner. Yeah. Oh. Come out there, 5th pin. Thank you. Get them all straightened out here. Okay. That's that. Now we'll get this shim out. Pulling out the front here. And see what we got in the Bible. Oh, that's a big one. That's a big one. Nice brand new spring there. Cool spool. Too cool for, whoa. A Gigantor spool. Oh, and a copper spring. That was number 2. Another awesome sharp spool with some serrations. Copper. We'll go from the back. Man, this is a slippery little Euro guy. Back's a nice, it's got some huge drivers here. Starting to shake a little bit. Alright. Now the last guy is another spool. Very tall spool. With copper spring. Awesome. 5-pin lock. Great job, Potti. We'll try to make the last adjustment here. Zoom in, see what he's got inside. Oh, back off a little. Alright. Should tilt it up a little. Alright, grab my pointer here. One was looks like it's slightly reduced diameter serrations on it. Number 2 had a serration at the top. 3 is a standard, 4 is a standard, and 5 is a standard. Up here we got a spool with a serration in the middle. Oh, not even focused there. There we go. Number 2 was a big long spool. Number 3 was a serrated spool It's kind of got an hourglass at the bottom there. 4 was a spool, big long spool. 5 seems to be like it's sort of wedding cakey. Yeah, it's a wedding cake with serrations in the middle of each cake. Pretty nice cake. And all copper springs at the top. So yeah, Potti, great job. Thank you, Bill, for sending me this lock. It was a fun one. Shocked me. Startled me getting it open there. So yeah, I had to recheck it, reset it, and make sure I wasn't cheating nobody. But let me look in the Bible real quick. Nothing done in the Bible. And we already seen the core. So awesome. You guys, there was the pins. Hope you had a great weekend. And as always, be well and behave.